Good morning, students. I'm here. Today I am going to teach you here chapter number 21 based on life skills. Topic is positive attitude. With positive attitude, you see the bright side of life. Become optimistic and expect the best to happen. A positive attitude helps you cope more easily with the daily affairs of life. We will write value besides its definition. So, this is a definition: calm, endurance without complaint, calmness when waiting. So, here it will be patience. Patience means the capacity to accept or tolerate delay problems or suffering without becoming annoyed or anxious. So here there will be patience. Patience is calm, endurance without complaint, calmness when waiting. So you will feel here patience. Number 2, an expression through words or action of grateful things. So this is thankfulness. Thankfulness means affording pleasure or contentment or pleasing by reason of comfort supplied. Means when we say thank you through words of for grateful things. So this is called, that expression is called thankfulness. Number 3, to cease having bad feelings. Cease means stop having bad feelings against someone else. So that is called forgiveness. That will be called, in third you will feel forgiveness. This is forgiveness, means the action or process of forgiving, by stopping bad feeling against someone. So this will be called here forgiveness. In 4, a feeling of sorrow for another who is facing difficulty. So feeling of sorrow for others who is facing difficulty, that is called compassion. Compassion, it is sympathetic pity and concern for the suffering or misfortunes of others. So this will be called compassion. Sympathetic pity and concern for the suffering or misfortunes of others. This is compassion. You will feel here compassion. Then 5, concern and thoughtfulness towards everyone. So means caring. When you concern and think for others, then that will be called caring. Means you are caring, you have concern for others and you also think for others. So that will be called caring, means you are caring. As your parents, your mother, father at home, your grandfather, grandmother, who take care of you and think about you also, means they are caring. So here you will feel 5, caring. 6, the ability to meet danger and difficulty without fear. So this will be called courage. Courage means bravery or the ability to do something that frightens one. That is bravery. It is the ability to meet danger and difficulty without fear. So you will fill in 6 courage according to the answer key given in the box. 6 you will fill courage. 7 is politeness and good manners, when dealing with other people. That means it is courtesy. Courtesy means the showing of politeness in one's attitude and behavior towards others. This will be called courtesy. You will fill here courtesy. 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 8. A strong feeling of interest and effort for something. A strong feeling of interest and effort for something. If strong feeling of interest is there and plus effort for doing that particular work, that particular interest in which your interest is there and you make effort, so that will be called enthusiasm. Means intense and eager enjoyment, interest or approval. That is called enthusiasm. Strong feeling of interest and efforts for something. So you will fill in 8 enthusiasm. Okay. Then 9. To be completely fair from dishonesty or injustice. So that is called fairness. In 9, you will fill fairness. You will fill fairness. Means to be completely fair from dishonesty or injustice. Fairness is impartial and just treatment or behavior without favoritism or discrimination. That is called fairness. Fairness is here to be completely fair from dishonesty or injustice. Means impartial and just treatment or behavior without favoritism or discrimination. Okay. Then 10th is here. 10th here. The ability to produce something original. The ability to produce something original. In 10th, you will fill creativity. Creativity means the use of imagination. The use of imagination or original ideas to create something or inventiveness. You can say inventiveness. When you imagine, when an idea is in your mind and that original idea is with you, then you create something based on that idea. That is creativity. The use of imagination or original ideas to create something or inventiveness. So here in 10th, you will fill the ability to produce something original. That is called creativity. Okay. So this chapter is based on positive attitude. Life skills means with positive attitude you see the bright side of life. So become optimistic, not pessimistic. Okay. In life, try to think you can do. Don't think you can't do. Okay. Try to be optimistic always in your life and think you can do. Okay. You can do. This chapter is totally based on life skill. Life skill means you have to be positive all the time. Okay. And try to expect the best to happen in your life. If you will think you can do, naturally you can achieve your goal in life. You can achieve your goal in life. as a positive attitude help you cope more easily with the daily affairs of life. So be positive all the time. Okay? Stay alert. Stay healthy. Stay alert. Stay healthy. Mask yourself. Take proper care. Thank you and have a nice day. Have a nice day.